Hello friends, today I received my new Android phone Samsung M31 and being your good friend I am here to fulfill my duty to unbox it with you only. It launched on 28th Feb 2020 and from 5th March 2020 it is available on Amazon and I just ordered on 6th March and received on today 8th March. Let's unbox it. Woo. Actually I ordered two things, so the another thing also I will give you that unboxing soon, but today our video is for this Samsung M31. Okay, so let's unbox it. Oh, wow. So here it is, guys. Here it is. It has adapter, one USB cable. Oh, nowadays the USB cable is very short. It's okay. It is C-type USB cable. And let's see what else they have given. Oh, nothing. No. Wait. They have here also. Okay. They have given this SIM ejector and this is the manual. Okay, they don't have given any earphone, so sad. Anyway, so its weight is 191 gram and if we discuss its technical specs, it is available in two variants, 64 GB and 128 GB. Mine is 64 GB. Its memory is expandable up to 512 GB also, and price is 14,999 for the 64 GB variant, and for 128 GB variant it has 1,000 rupee costly in India, so 15,999 is rate. Let's on it. Its rear camera is 64 megapixel plus 8 megapixel plus 5 megapixel plus 5 megapixel. Oh, so it has 4 cameras in rear side. Front camera is 34 megapixel. Its size is 6.4 inch, which is around 16.21 centimeter. It has dual SIM and both are nano. It's given the Android 10. Wow, good. And their processor is 2.3 gigahertz plus 1.7 gigahertz Exynos 9611. 6000 mAh battery they have given. Oh, that is really great. It will give a very good backup. And as we have discussed, box is available only adapter, USB cable, ejector pin, and user manual. Wow, it has a fingerprint sensor also. Wow, and fast face unlock. Okay, I will set it up and use for few days, and then come back again with its review, how I felt, how I am liking it, and whatever I will discuss with you, will share with you. Thanks guys. Hope you like it. Thank you.